Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a pending transaction on Cash App. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually go into your Cash App, and then what we're going to want to do is select at the bottom right hand corner the activity icon. And once on this section, then we're going to want to choose the transaction that's in pending that we want to cancel. So I'm just going to select one here. So this is for a transaction I've sent for a payment for $1 to this email address. So as we can see at the bottom, it shows as pending. At the top right hand corner, if you click the three dots, you're going to have some options appear. And here we've got cancel payment, view profile, or Cash App support. So we can simply select cancel payment for this pending transaction. If that option is not actually being displayed, then what you're going to need to do is actually send a refund request to the user that you sent the money to. So that would be tapping their profile icon and then creating a transaction request with an explanation of the amount that you accidentally sent. Okay, so that you can do that by selecting the view profile button there. So then we're just going to do cancel payment. And then it'll ask again if you want to cancel this payment, select OK, and then it'll take a couple of minutes and then it will show as cancelled. And then what you can go ahead and do is actually send another transaction or payment of the correct amount that you want to send to the user again. Okay, and that is pretty much it. That is how to cancel a pending transaction on Cash App. I hope you found this video useful, and if you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.